Welcome, in front of me is REALME Note 70T, and in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you cannot access your device using your PIN code. So the first thing that I want you to be aware of is that you're trying to enter your security PIN code that you set up for yourself and not the SIM card PIN code. I simply want to mention it because these two numbers are often mistaken for each other, so make sure that you're trying to enter the right PIN code and try your best to remember the PIN code that worked for you the last time. Now, before you try to perform a factory reset in case you cannot access your device using your PIN code, let's first try to enter the safe mode, and you'll try to enter your PIN code there in case you cannot access your device with it in a normal mode. And in order to enter the safe mode on your smartphone, just press power button and volume up key together, select restart, then wait until the REALME logo reappears on your screen. And once it does, start holding down the volume down key of your device and wait until your phone vibrates. Then you can release the volume down key. Now you can release it. And once you enter the safe mode, you will see an indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Try to enter your PIN code in the safe mode, and if you succeed, enter your device, swipe down the quick settings menu, open settings, then scroll down to security and privacy, go to device unlock, go to screen lock, enter your PIN code again, select none and delete. Then press volume up and power button at the same time together again and wait until your device restarts. Now, if you didn't succeed signing into your device in the safe mode, then in such case you probably lost the access to your device, and the first thing that you should try to do is to reach out to REALME customer support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can provide them with the proof of the ownership of your smartphone, they will be most likely will be able to help you out without the need to remove any data from your phone. Now, if you cannot do this too, then perform a factory reset. Once you perform a factory reset on your phone, all the files from your device will be erased, but you'll be able to start using your device once again. So the first way to perform a factory reset is remotely, and to do that you have to have the Google account connected to your phone, and if you do, go to the Google Chrome or any other browser and search for the Find Hub website. For some reason I don't have internet. Let me reconnect to the internet. So, find the Find Hub service by Google, enter it, then use your Google email that is connected to this phone to sign in the Find Hub service. Select your phone on the list and select factory reset, and this way you will perform a factory reset operation remotely, and once you do that you'll be able to set your device up again as a new device. Now, if you cannot do that, then perform a factory reset locally using recovery mode. And if you don't know how to do that, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to perform a factory reset operation on your REALME Note 70T phone step by step. So if you need this video, go ahead and check it out. And for this one, that will be all. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.